Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we will read the essay My Best Friend. Ali is my best friend. He is my neighbor also. His father is teacher in our school. We are class fellow too. Ali is sincere and honest. He is kind and generous. He and I daily go out for a morning walk. He does not mix with bad boys and avoid their company. He is very hardworking and helps me a lot. He never abuses and never quarrels. Photography is his hobby. Mine is gardening. He is always helpful to the weak students. Ali is a very good student. In 8th class, he stood first in the school. He also won the national scholarship. Teachers are all praise for him. His father is always source of encouragement to him. He hopes to get the first position in the coming examination. But all this does not mean that he is a bookworm. He takes part in all the school activities. He is an active member of Young Speaker Society. He himself is an impressive debater. He speaks with confidence. He is also a good player of hockey too. In the last district hockey tournament, he was acknowledged as one of the best player of the district. In short, I am proud of my friend. May our friendship last forever. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell notification also.